This waterless essential oil diffuser starter kit was sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm doing the full unboxing, setting it up, and showing the misting effect so you can see exactly how it works. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged really nicely, and right away, the first thing I noticed is how premium the diffuser itself feels. This version has an aluminum housing, which gives it a much more modern and high-end look compared to a lot of plastic diffusers. The black finish especially gives it a really clean, minimalist style that would fit easily into a home, office, or even a car. Inside of the box, you get the diffuser itself, charging accessories, instructions, and 4 different 10 ml fragrance oils included in the starter kit. As I'm taking everything out in the video, I show all the included items up close so you can get a better idea of what comes with the kit. One thing I immediately liked is the overall size of this diffuser. It's very compact and portable without feeling cheap or flimsy. Since it's battery powered, it feels much more flexible compared to a larger plug-in diffuser because you can move it around easily without needing to stay near an outlet. Another really important feature is that this is waterless. Instead of having to constantly fill a water tank, the fragrance oil goes directly into the system, which makes the whole process feel much cleaner and lower maintenance overall. In the video, I also show the included fragrance oils up close and go through the setup process step by step. The setup honestly ended up being very straightforward. Once I poured one of the oils into the diffuser and powered the diffuser on, I started going through the controls and settings. One thing I appreciate is that it doesn't feel overly complicated to use. The controls are simple and easy to understand, which is nice because some smart fragrance devices can feel confusing at first. After setup, I show the actual misting effect so you can see how the diffuser performs once it's running. The mist output looks really fine and clean instead of producing huge heavy clouds. Since this is more of a scent-focused diffuser system, the misting effect feels subtle and refined rather than overly aggressive. In the video, I spend some extra time showing the mist because I know that's usually one of the biggest things people want to see before buying a diffuser. Another thing I noticed is how quiet the diffuser is while running. It doesn't feel distracting or loud, which makes it seem like it would work really well in places like bedrooms, offices, or even inside of a vehicle. The compact size also makes it easy to place anywhere without it taking up a ton of room. As I continue through the video, I show the diffuser from different angles while it's running so you can get a better idea of the design and misting effect during actual use. One thing I like about the overall design is that it looks modern without being flashy. It feels more like a sleek piece of tech instead of a bulky home appliance sitting out on the counter. The included fragrance oils are also a really nice addition because you can start using the diffuser immediately right out of the box without needing to go and buy anything extra first. Overall, this feels like a really sleek and convenient diffuser system. Between the waterless operation, rechargeable portable design, premium aluminum build, included fragrance oils, and clean misting effect, it feels much more modern and low maintenance compared to traditional water diffusers. And after setting it up and seeing it run, I can definitely see why this is a style of diffuser is becoming more popular for home, office, and car use.